Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best crafts for girls is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark creativity and imagination in your little ones. In this video, we're diving into a world of colorful projects perfect for 3-year-old girls. From glittery masterpieces to adorable animal creations, we'll explore crafts that are not only fun but also help develop fine motor skills and cognitive abilities. Get ready to unleash your child's inner artist. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Princess Wand Craft Kit. Unleash your inner princess with this amazing craft kit. It's perfect for rainy days and lets you design your very own magical wand. This kit includes a wooden star, dowel, ribbons, gem stickers, paint, a paintbrush, and glitter glue. Everything you need to make it sparkle. With light pink, dark pink, blue, and purple paint, the wand can be as colorful as your imagination. The gem stickers and glitter glue add a unique touch. This craft kit is designed for kids who love princesses. They'll have a blast creating their own royal accessory. This kit promotes fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun way for them to express their creativity. What we like. This kit is perfect for any little princess. It comes with everything she needs to create her own magical wand. If you're looking for a craft that sparks imagination and encourages creative expression, then this is the one. It's ideal for rainy days or princess-themed parties. What people say. The materials included a lot of variety and there were enough left over that she put them in her craft box to use later with another project. She had fun painting and decorating it. It kept my 4-year-old daughter entertained and focused. Super easy to use, and now the wand is her favorite dress-up accessory. Number 4. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. This amazing kit comes with 520 snap beads in various shapes, sizes, and colors. It also includes 2 hairbands. She can create countless jewelry designs. This is the perfect gift to spark her creativity and enhance her practical skills. She can design necklaces, bracelets, and rings, expressing herself freely. No thread is needed. These beads are designed for easy snapping and unsnapping, ideal for girls aged 3 and up. It's simple for her to make and remake her jewelry. With so many different styles, she can let her imagination run wild. She can create unique pieces every time. The possibilities are truly endless. Made from high-quality plastic and meeting international standards, this is a safe and wonderful gift. It's perfect for birthdays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. She will love it. What we like. This jewelry making kit is all about fun and easy creativity. With hundreds of colorful snap beads, she can design necklaces, bracelets, and more. If she loves to express herself through fashion and enjoys hands-on activities, this kit is the perfect choice. It's a great way to develop her fine motor skills. What people say. Many ways to design, hours of fun, and a cute case to store everything. They had hours of fun and made so many things. They still have beads left. My 3- and 2-year-old love these beads. They are good quality. I was surprised to find that the little parts don't break easily. The carrying case is also good quality and has held up for many uses over the past 5 months. Number 3. SpringFlower Unicorn Painting Kit for Girls. This amazing kit includes everything your child needs to paint their own unicorn figures. It's a fantastic way to spark their imagination and let them explore their artistic side. Inside, you'll find 8 adorable unicorn figures, paints in various colors, brushes, glitter glue, and a palette. Everything is included, making it perfect for any young artist. This activity promotes STEM learning and helps kids develop essential skills. It encourages hand-eye coordination and concentration while they have fun with colors. It's ideal for unicorn-themed parties, playdates, or as a special gift. This kit will keep them entertained and happy, making it a great choice for any occasion. The paints are safe for kids and easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about a mess. They can enjoy painting without any hassle, and you can relax. The toy set conforms to safety standards. If there are any issues, you can return it within 180 days for a refund or replacement. We are here to help you. What we like. Unicorns and painting, what a great combination. This kit provides everything she needs to paint and decorate adorable unicorn figures. If she's a fan of unicorns and enjoys painting, then this is the perfect gift. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and provide hours of fun. What people say. Had so much fun painting, we're still painting. The unicorns are very lightweight and very cute. Easy to clean up. Number 2. Arts and Crafts Kit for Kids ages 3 to 6. This amazing kit is perfect for kids aged 3 to 6. It's designed to spark creativity and provide hours of fun. They will love the chance to create their own animal characters. With this kit, children can craft and design 8 adorable animal characters. It comes with everything they need to get started. It's a fantastic way to encourage their artistic skills. The kit uses paper cups and various accessories. It's a simple and engaging craft that kids will enjoy. The instructions are easy to follow. The kit includes materials to create a horse, rabbit, penguin, chicken, snowman, butterfly, cow, and a crab. It's a great way for them to explore different animals. They will have a blast making them. The included instruction manual makes it easy for little kids and toddlers to use. The steps are simple and clear. It's a great project to keep them busy. This is a great arts and crafts project to keep kids busy in preschool and at home. It's a fun and engaging activity. They will be proud of what they create. What we like. This craft kit offers a fun and engaging way to create adorable animal characters. With easy-to-follow instructions, she can create a variety of cute creatures. If you're looking for a simple and enjoyable craft project that's perfect for little hands, then you should consider this. It's great for developing fine motor skills and following instructions. What people say. Cute, easy craft kit that comes with an actual glue stick. The craft was easy enough for my 3-year-old, visual images, as well as my 8-year-old who went off-grid for her creations. Everything you need is included and the directions were so easy to follow. Great toy to spark an imagination, to use cups to make other figures or to use boxes, etc. To make other creatures. Number 1. Art Unicorn and Princess Sticker Kit. This enchanting kit includes everything your child needs to create beautiful art. It features canvases, sticker sheets, and even a unicorn play pal. They will love it. Forget the glue and the mess. These dot stickers are easy to use and stick effortlessly to the canvases. It's perfect for keeping kids entertained at home or on the go. Each kit comes with a unicorn play pal, encouraging creative play. Children can weave stories around their masterpieces, fostering storytelling skills and sparking endless hours of entertainment. Looking for a great gift? This Dot-A-Lot kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays. It combines entertainment, creativity, and a touch of magic for kids aged 3 to 7. As children create, they'll develop vocabulary and storytelling skills. Encourage them to describe their art and invent characters, fostering their imaginative world. This kit helps develop hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and creativity. It's a fun way for kids to explore and learn. This compact kit is a must-have for travel. It's a great way to keep kids entertained in the car or on a plane. What we like. This sticker art kit is a fantastic choice for mess-free fun. With enchanting canvases and tons of stickers, she can create beautiful art without any glue. If you are looking for a travel-friendly activity that keeps them entertained, then this is the one. It's a great way to develop hand-eye coordination and creativity. What people say. Their little hands can easily peel the stickers off without help. They are colorful and easy to use. There is no mess. It is easy to use and build strong skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.